Hello everyone, so today we will learn about Google Sheet application on a mobile phone, and I would like to give to you a tips the way how you can add the break line on the cells with Google Sheet mobile. So it's quite tricky because sometimes the button on our keyboard doesn't work, such as sometimes if we want to add the new line on the cells or paragraph, there will be only need to add the enter button. So let's say here I would like to type it here and then just go click this return. That will give you a new line for this text, but it's totally different on the Google Sheet application. Whenever you tap this return, it's never gonna give you a new line on this sheet or on those cells, because the way how you can add the break line is not by this return button. So here, if you want to have the break line, it's quite simple. Make sure that you place the cursors into the between area of the words that you want to split. Let's say I will let two splits or add the break line between the line and on here. So you just need to place the cursors on between it and go click it and tap it, and there will be an options pop up here, right? You just need to expand the option and there will be an insert line break, so you just need to type it. You'll see now you already have the new lines for this sentence on the same cells. So that's the way, guys, how you can add the break line on the cells with the Google Sheet mobile. Hopefully you find this tutorial today is really useful for you. So hopefully you can find another more tutorial with us. Let's meet again into other tutorial, and thank you.